Hey everyone, today we're whipping up a delicious spicy shrimp pomodoro pasta using La Sauce & Company's amazing sauce.
If anyone always remembers that the best thing about Italian cooking is always in the sauce. The sauce always carries the dish. You're here with Keep the Eats. I'm in my vintage kitchen back here at home. I'm really excited to make one of my favorite pasta dishes. It's shrimp pomodoro. Got something in my back pocket. It is this amazing spicy pomodoro sauce from La Sauce & Company. I'm excited to see how this works in this pasta dish I'm going to make. It's a family-owned establishment that creates amazing sauces and gravies from people that worked in restaurants. La Sauce & Company does its best to bring gourmet flavor to a simplified version that you can use back at home.
Let's check out our fresh ingredients. Spinach, Italian parsley, thyme, basil, garlic, and green peppers all chopped and ready to go. We start by boiling our pasta and then seasoning our shrimp with a little paprika, salt, and fresh garlic. In a hot pan with a bit of olive oil, we saute the shrimp along with our green peppers until everything is perfectly cooked. Next, we pour in that delicious spicy pomodoro sauce and toss in all of our fresh herbs, giving it a good stir to combine those flavors. We add a splash of pasta water and let it simmer, and add our pasta into the sauce when it's ready. Look at that bubbly perfection. It's time for a little taste. Oh, so good. We stir in the pasta and finish the sauce. And let's not forget the garlic toast. Olive oil, garlic, provolone cheese, toasted to perfection. Time to plate. We place our perfectly cooked pasta in a dish, ready for the finishing touches. A sprinkle of Parmesan cheese and a bit of fresh Italian parsley on top. Time for a taste. Absolutely delicious. Packing some to go, topped with extra cheese and toast. A huge thank you to Maya and La Sauce & Company for this incredible sauce.